Hi everyone, welcome to Management 4800. I'll be your instructor for the course. My name is Dr. Rachel Lumpum. I just wanted to give you an overview of what you can expect in the course and also help you to navigate through the course on Canvas. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing I want you to do is to click on the Start Here tab. Okay? The Start Here tab gives you all of the information you need to know to be successful in the course. A couple things I want to touch on so you are aware. Um, Obviously, the course syllabus is here. You can download a copy of the PDF so you have it. Make sure you read through that carefully. I know there's a lot of content in it that we're required to put. So you've probably seen some of it, but make sure you pay attention to the policies that are specific to this course, as well as the due dates and deadlines. The course textbook is actually all inclusive. We'll talk about that a little bit more, but basically you have access to the textbook through the Canvas site on the first day of class, and you'll be automatically charged for it. It's a lot cheaper for us to do it this way, but if you don't want to, you have the option to opt out of all-inclusive, and the instructions to do so are in the syllabus. There's a template that the textbook publisher has provided, so you'll use that in Unit 2 and 4. So just know that that's right here. I'll also post it in those modules. And then you will also need to purchase 2 case studies for this course from Harvard Business Review. They're $4.25 each, and you can access them by clicking on this link. Okay? Um, You can read through my bio. The best way to communicate with me is through email. I actually don't have any set office hours because what I've found is it's just easiest for students to email me and set up a time. You can always call me if I don't answer right away. Just leave a message. I'll call you back right away as soon as I can. Um, you can expect that I will respond to all your emails within 24 hours for sure. Weekends might be the exception. And then I'll try to grade everything within 5 to 7 days after it's due. The one thing I want to touch on a little bit is the forums and discussions. I view discussion forums as a way for us to learn from each other and to engage with each other, which we would normally, like if we were face to face, we would have discussions. And since we're not face to face, this is a way for us to communicate with each other. So that being said, I do expect that you will engage with your classmates and you will respond to them, post questions, make insightful comments, add to the discussion. There will be a penalty to students who do not respond. So my expectation is that you will post your initial response, your initial post, and then you will read and respond to at least 2 classmates. And those who do not will receive up to a 4-point deduction in their grade on those forums. So please make sure that you are responding and engaging with your classmates. There's only 4 discussions, 1 per forum or 1 per unit, so it shouldn't be too cumbersome. There's information on how to write papers, exam policies. I will touch on the fact that all exams are open book, open note. You can use the internet if you want to, but they are timed, so you will have to study because you won't have time to look up every answer. There's links to the library, links to our Disability Resource Center, which is great. If you have accommodations, make sure, or you think you would like some accommodations, or accommodations would be helpful to you in being successful in the course, please utilize their services. They are great. If you have any concerns or anything you want to run by me, for example, I've had students say, hey, the timer on the test really makes me nervous. And so we'll find a way around that. So it could be something small, but my whole goal for you here is to help you to be successful. So whatever we can do to help you to be successful, we will do our best. If you need help with technology and Canvas, you can contact Debbie or Nate. They're great as well. And then we have an amazing academic assistance center. We have tutoring, writing center. Please utilize those services if you think they would be helpful to you. All right, so that's the Start Here tab. Make sure you read through the syllabus and then go through this information so you're familiar with what the expectations in the course are. Next, you can either navigate to the home page, you can get into any of the units or the modules right here. Otherwise, you can click on modules. All right, so try to make it easy. Once you've read the syllabus and the Start Here, please be sure to take the syllabus quiz. This just ensures you know the most important pieces. You can take it as many times as you want to get 10 points. And then please introduce yourself to your classmates. This is probably one of my favorite things because it helps me to get to know you as well. So like I said, there's 4 units in the course. Each unit, each chapter has its own page. You can click on it and you can literally just navigate through the course by clicking the next button. All these videos are they're optional. This one is the textbook publisher providing you with an overview of the concepts. And then I also post additional videos that I think will be helpful to you. So I really, and sometimes I make my own videos. So I really try to make it as user-friendly and provide a variety of resources to help you to learn the content. All right, so after you get through the chapters, there will be um, a page that shows what assignments need to be done and when it's due, etc. Okay, so you can access your assignments in that tab. All right, like I said, there are 4 units. Unit 1, Unit 2, then you'll have a midterm exam. The midterm covers everything that was discussed in Units 1 and 2. Unit 3, Unit 4, then you'll have a final exam. The final exam covers everything in Unit 3 and 4. It's not comprehensive. And then we actually have all of our students that take this course take this comprehensive exam. If you didn't know, the business department is accredited by the ACBSP. And one of the things we need to do for our accreditation is to show our students that they've learned and that they've achieved what we want them to achieve. And so we have you take this comprehensive exam. You're automatically, again, charged. It's automatically billed to your student account. And the comprehensive exam, you don't need to study for it. It looks at all the areas of business that you should know. Don't worry what score you get on it. It's actually it doesn't matter, honestly. It's just for us to compare our students to students at other institutions. And the grading on it, I mean, a lot of if you get 60%, don't feel bad because that's common, okay? So just be aware of that. So here's the instructions for doing so. And then you just go and you start, and then you just, you've taken it, you just upload your completed exam here. They'll give you like a little certificate that says you completed it, so you'll upload it there. All right, so that is the course kind of in a nutshell. I do want to preface that the case studies in this class, like they're not hard, but they will take you time to do. They're a little bit longer in length, so make sure you set aside enough time to get them done. I will try to post recommended due dates or recommended completion dates just to kind of help you stay on task in the course. And I will be sending out announcements of, okay, this is what you should be working on this week. This is coming due. But just make sure that you plan accordingly because those will take you a little bit more time than some of the other assignments. So with that, if you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. I am here to help you at any time. Any suggestions, recommendations, questions, whatever it might be. All right, so I wish you a great semester. I can't wait to get to know each of you more. Bye.